Model 2015 Iveco Daily 35S11 with B3000 automatic recovery truck. Body blue, white, recovery. Mileage 203,922. MOT the 23rd of May 2025. Engine 2287 cc F1 AE3481L. Transmission automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean and has been well looked after. Rear bed is very clean and has loads of life left in it. Genuine honest truck which includes a winch and ramps. Well looked after truck ready to make you money. Features: electric windows, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.